In this story about the wise farmer and the clever rabbit, we see how they worked out their differences and lived in harmony. I hope you like it.
In a village in Pakistan, there was a farmer named Ahmed. His garden was a sight to see, the veggies were the best. But a clever little rabbit snuck in and caused a mess, eating all the vegetables, putting Ahmed to the test. Once upon a time, a lesson had to be learned. The farmer caught the rabbit, a promise was returned. Never steal again, he said, and I'll let you go free. But the rabbit couldn't resist, the veggies were the key. Ahmed had an idea to teach the rabbit right. Bring me the most valuable thing, and I'll forgive your plight. The rabbit set off on a journey, asking all around. From gold to jewels, no answer could be found. Then the rabbit met an owl, wise beyond its years. Wisdom is the answer, it conquers all your fears. The rabbit knew the truth, and back to Ahmed it came. With the lesson learned, the rabbit's life would never be the same. Then the rabbit met an owl, wise beyond its years. Wisdom is the answer, it conquers all your fears. The rabbit knew the truth, and back to Ahmed it came. With the lesson learned, the rabbit's life would never be the same. Once upon a time, a lesson had to be learned. The farmer and the rabbit, their trust was now returned. Wisdom is the key to life, more precious than any gold. In Ahmed's garden, the rabbit's story will be told. From that day forward, they lived in harmony. The rabbit and the farmer, a tale of unity, a lesson for us all. Wisdom guides the way in the garden of life. Let's cherish every day.